everyone, it has been raining here, which is so wonderful. If you're watching this from a different place or a different time, it's been way too hot and way too dry here for a really long time. But now, yesterday, it was cool and windy and it's been raining and it's so wonderful. So I wanted to celebrate by sharing a little clip of a song from The Girl from Moab with you. And this song is about how wonderful rain is, and it's been stuck in my head ever since it started raining, and now it can be stuck in your head too. I hope you enjoy. Rain, glorious rain, glory to God who's opened heaven once again. But this time, it's not the same.